Hello bio partners! In previous video, we learned about floral parts. Now let us discuss some more briefly about reproduction in plants. If you not yet seen the previous video, I will share the link in the description box so you can check it out there. So no more further ado, let's get into the video. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell.
Welcome to Bioeducation.
Complete flower. A flower that has 4 or more orals, at least one of each calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Then this flower is considered as complete flower. For example, datura, hibiscus. Incomplete flower. A flower in which any of these 4 orals is missing, then this flower is considered as incomplete flower. Example, cucumber, bottle gourd, papaya. Now let us see difference between unisexual flowers and bisexual flowers. A flower which has either stamens or pistil, then it is considered as unisexual flowers. Example, cucumber, bottle gourd, bitter gourd. Bisexual flowers. A flower that has both stamens and pistil, then it is considered as bisexual flowers. Example, datura, hibiscus, ipomia. Now let us do an experiment. Take a stamen from the hibiscus flower. Tap the stamen gently on a slide. You can observe some grains fallen on the slide. These grains are nothing but pollen grains, which are mainly used for sexual parts of flowers. What is pollination? Pollination is the act of transferring pollen grains from male anther of flower to female stigma is called pollination. Agents of pollination: air, water, animals, insects, humans act as agents of pollination. They carry pollen grains from anther to stigma. For example, insects like butterflies suck nectar from the flowers. At that time, pollen grains of the flower stick to the legs of butterflies. When these butterflies goes to another flower for the nectar, these pollen grains which are stick to the legs falls on the flower. So, this is the reason why they call them as agents of pollination. There are some substance present on the stigma which promotes the germination of pollen grains. During germination, a tube grows from the pollen grain. This tube ultimately reaches the ovary through the style with the male part. This male part fuses with female part in the ovule of the ovary. Fusion of unit of male and female parts to form a structure called zygote, that is called fertilization. Asexual reproduction. The most interesting thing in plants is baby plant can grow even without formation of seeds. This is without sexual reproduction. Let us study some more such processes. Asexual reproduction is of 3 types: vegetative reproduction, budding, spore formation. Vegetative reproduction. Production of new plants from vegetative parts of plant, that is root, stem and leaf, is known as vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction of root, example, carrot, stem, potato, leaf, bryophyllum. Budding. The bun maker adds something to bun dough and leave it for some time. It helps him to make a good buns. It is due to he mixes a type of plant called yeast. Yeast grow with the help of small bubble-like outgrowth which increases in size and breaks off from the parent plant to live independently. This process of reproduction is called budding. Spore formation. Take a slice of bread, cover it with a vessel and leave it undisturbed for 2 to 3 days. Then you find a grey colored fungus called bread mold. The whole growth appears like a black powder-like matter which is nothing but spore. So this is how reproduction occurs in plant. It may be sexual or asexual. If you like this video, don't forget